Hi, I'm Ryan Stiver, ATV and side-by-side product planning manager with Yamaha. We're not only out here to launch the new Wolverine X2, but to introduce an all-new way to share your experiences and navigate the trails, the Yamaha Adventure Pro. So let's take a look. First off, you have a host of icons on the bottom. First off being your home screen. It's all new features that we've integrated with the Wolverine X2 that allow you to read the vehicle's gear position, four-wheel drive, two-wheel drive settings, things like RPM, battery, and even water temperature. It's a fully customizable screen. You can choose either 4-up or 2-up mode. As you see here, all of these are easily interchangeable. All you have to do is hold them like your cell phone. You'll go through and you can scroll and see all the different options that are available, not only through the vehicles, but you can put in things like maps, current speed, distance to your next waypoint, things of that nature. We also have a Yamaha exclusive timing mode. To enter the timing mode, all you have to do is pop up the menu, click the stopwatch, and you get into the timing mode menu. You can do a whole host of things like create a new course. You can set a start and a finish line to challenge your friends from lap times. You can go back to timing mode and you can check out your session histories, pull up your session, look at your lap times, compare them. You can look at all of the things the vehicle will track for you. Things like best time, your lap duration, how many dirt miles, your maximum speed, engine RPM, what the weather condition is, the dirt type, even the type of vehicle. It also graphs all of the things the vehicle is monitoring, like engine speed, intake temperatures, GPS speeds, so you can easily share with your friends. So if you like to challenge your buddies or just have some friendly competition, you can simply hit the share button and it will link to a lot of social media sites like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Besides sharing, we do not want to leave out the navigation. So to enter the nav mode, all you have to do is, again, bring up the menu, hit your navigation button, and it will show you all of the trails that are available in your area. Today we happen to be out here at Brimstone Recreation, and you can see there's a whole host of trails for you to choose from. You can also make your own tracks. So simply by hitting the record button, you can go out and find your favorite trail and create what you'd like. After you're done creating your own track, simply hit the pause button, hit the checkered flags to tell, hey, I'd like to record and save this track. You can name the track whatever you'd like, decide what vehicle. You can put in some notes for yourself or your friends that you want to share, all the way down through difficulty ratings and your overall rating for the trail. Based on that, you can save and share. If you find an interesting thing on the trail, it's extremely convenient just to tag a waypoint. Once you're driving and recording your trip, you can simply hit the waypoint function. You can tag things like a gate or a bridge or a water crossing, and again, share those things with your friends. Today we can tag a water crossing, save, and upload that to your tracks and share with your friends. We all know a big part of navigation is just being able to get home. So if you find some trails or tracks you'd like to have, so again, you can simply open your journal. So this is where everything is saved in your history. You can find your most recent track. You simply select it. It'll load the data, show you an overview of where you'd like to go. All of the details that you've saved previously. You can hit follow and go.
Proceed to track and
Based
destination.
on that, it will guide you to your destination. An important feature of the Adventure Pro is versatility. So not only using in your vehicle, like the Wolverine X2, but let's say you have an ATV or even your truck to get to the riding area. You can simply pull it off the dock, put it into the vehicle of your choice. It has on-street navigation and trail navigation. An additional benefit of the Adventure Pro is, let's say you find yourself in an unfamiliar area. You can simply find a search function. If you need to find trails, tracks, trip folders, even your nearest Yamaha dealer, you can simply hit that. It'll find the nearest dealer and navigate you straight there, not only from the trail, but into your vehicle and straight to their door. In addition to being a navigation and a way to share things with friends and family, it's also based on an Android tablet. So you can simply swipe up from your Adventure Pro app and go into the Android-based software. From there, you can do things like put all your music, find the internet browser, connects to Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, so everything can be stored inside this unit as an Android-based tablet. That's just a brief overview of the Yamaha Adventure Pro. For more details, visit yamahamotorsports.com.